Okay, it's time to see what books are new at the library again, and we've got another box to open. Okay, some of these are replacement copies again, and some of them are new. Warriors, Darkest Night, Aaron Hunter, book 4 in A Vision of Shadows series. Captain Underpants in full color, and The Preposterous Plight of the Purple Potty People. So this is probably a replacement. So I've read this one. This one's been around a little while, but look at the cool pages. So, The Girl Who Knew Even More, Commander S.T. Bolivar III, a Muncham Academy book. This is a funny series. This is book 2. Emily Winsnap and the Pirate Prince. Oh, look, there's like a mermaid on the cover. It's by Liz Kessler. This is book 8 in the Emily Winsnap series. Wayside School Gets a Little Stranger by Louis Satcher. I love the Wayside School books, you guys. They're so funny and they're just an easy read. They were actually one of my favorites as a kid, too. 5 Worlds, The Red Maze. It looks like there's several authors on this one. Mark Siegel and Alexa Siegel are 2 of them. And this is a graphic novel. So come and check it out. The Line Tender by Kate Allen. This is a touching story about a girl who deals with a lot of heartache and some death. And she's really interested in sharks and whales. No, there's one, not the other. Let me see. Because her mom dies, it's sharks. And her mom studied sharks, and she really connects with them, and this is a story of that. And anyways, it's touching. If you like a sad story, this is a good one, but it's also realistic. Dragon Rider by Cornelia Funke. This is the sequel to Dragon Rider. She wrote some really fun books, so come check those all out. Emily Winsnap and the Falls of Forgotten Island by Liz Kessler. This is book 7 in the Emily Winsnap series. Oh, there's mermaids on all the covers. Spy School Secret Service, Stuart Gibbs. These are funny and adventurous, so come and check those out. Survivors, The Exile's Journey by Aaron Hunter. This is book 5 in the Gathering Darkness series. The Backward Season, a Wishing Day novel by Lauren Miracle. Okay, Lauren Miracle is a really good author, and this is book 3. And if you like Sarah Mlynowski, you'll like Lauren Miracle, and vice versa. Sarah Mlynowski writes some really funny stuff and some adventure stuff. So if you like fairy tales or just comedic witches who can't get anything right. The Gathering Darkness, Survivors, The Final Battle by Aaron Hunter, book 6 in Gathering Darkness. The Last Apprentice, Slither by Joseph Delaney. This is book 11 in the series. There are a lot of books in this series, but if you want a creepy Halloween read or just a creepy read in general, come check them out. Wait Till Helen Comes. Oh, she's coming as a motion picture. It's going to be pretty scary then. Mary Downing Hahn writes some creepy stuff for books that are easier to read. This one is about a child who's a ghost, and she has intentions about, and then, well, anyways, I don't want to ruin anything. It's been a while, but of course she has intentions, but they're not nice. Don't make friends with ghosts, you guys. Big Nate Goes Bananas by Lincoln Pierce. So you've probably read the Big Nate ones. This one is more in the comic format than some of the others. Redstone Junior High, Dragons Never Die by Kara J. Stevens. These are unofficial Minecraft ones, but this one is a graphic novel. This is the first graphic novel we've had for Minecraft, but it's book 3, so the others are coming too. Book 6, When Pigmen Fly. Book 4, 4, When Endermen Attack. Book 5, Curse of the Sandwiches. So we'll make sure we get all of these. And Phoebe and Her Unicorn, Unicorn Theater. This is just a really cute series. This is book 8, and I have a bunch of them. This is, they're short comics. They're about Phoebe and her unicorn and all of the trouble they get into with magic. And that's it. The box is empty. So come check those out at the library, and we'll see you soon. Bye.